Okay, now starting with question number 13. So if the code for foil is GPHK, then what is the code for TAME? Now let us decode how this code is assigned to foil. If you can see here, okay, F, if you will move one step forward from F, you will get F. After F we have G. Okay, if you will again move one step forward from O, then you will get P. Now check here, if we will go one step backward from I, what you will get? One step backward means -1, you will get H. Okay, before I, what comes? H. Similarly, if you will go one step backward from L, you will get K. So first of all we are going one step forward 2 times, then one step backward 2 times. The same logic will be used for the this TAME tame. Okay, and what we will get? We will get as a correct answer is option A. How? Let us check. Okay, one step forward of T will be U. Okay, one step forward of A will be B. Okay, after A, what comes? B. Now one step backward of M will be L, and one step backward of E will be D. Okay, before E, what comes? D comes. Okay, so the correct answer is UBLD, that is option A. Okay, that is the correct answer. Now moving further to the next question, that is question number 16. Okay, so this is some kind of new question, and this is very interesting and simple question. In a certain code language, 234 means spark and fire. Okay, so this 2 means what? Spark. No, it is not like that. It can be anything. Okay, 2 can be spark, or 2 can also be and or fire. We don't know, these are mixed. We have to find out with the help of all three numbers. So 234 means spark and fire. Okay, 456 means spark is cause, 258 means fire is effect. Which of the following numerals is used for cause? So you can see here different numerals are used for different words. We have to find out which of the following numerals is used for cause. Let us check here. Okay, let us check. Let I write first, then we will solve this with the help of a simple method. Okay, let us check what is the method. Means here, okay, let I do again. Here 2 3 4 means what? Spark and fire. Spark and fire. Okay, 4 5 6 means what? Spark is cause. In the same way, 258 means what? 258 means fire is effect. Fire is effect. Okay, now what we have to find? What is the cause? Let us write here. What is the numeral assigned for cause? Okay, let I write here. Now first thing what we have to do is we have to take the number 234 and 456. Now first of all, what is the common number here? We have, let I change the color. We have common number as 4. This is common, this is common. Okay, and what is the common word here? Okay, the spark and spark. Okay, so the 4 will be assigned to spark. Okay, very simple. The 4 will be assigned to spark. Okay, and now let us check here what is common. Let I change again one color. Okay, what is common in the second and the third one? Let I change the color. Okay, let I take black one. Okay, yes, what is common? This 5 and this 5 is common on the second and the third. Okay, third numbers. And here what is common? Is and is common, so simply 5 is written as is. Okay, so check here, we get the is, we get the number for is, we get the number for spark. What is remain? Only the remaining is cause, and the number assigned for cause. What is remaining? 4 is done, 5 is done, what is remaining? 6. Okay, 6 is our cause, 6 is assigned for cause. The correct answer will be, now let I check which question we were doing. Okay, we were doing 16. The correct answer will be option C, that is 6. Okay, let I again change the color. Now moving further. Now coming to the question number 19. Now this is kind of very simple and very interesting question. Here water is called as food, food is called tree. Okay, tree is called sky, and sky is called floor. Then on which of the following fruit is grown? Now here we don't have to put our brain that how this water is called food, how this food is called as tree. Just we have to just remember that if I will ask give me a glass of water, then what you will give me? You will give me food. You will not give me water, you will give me food. Okay, and if I will ask you that what do we eat, what do we eat, you don't care, you will not say food, you will say you will eat tree. Okay, like this simply. Okay, now the question is which of the following fruit is grown? Generally fruit is grown over trees, but what do we don't have to say tree, what we have to say sky, because tree is called as here sky. So the correct answer for this question will be option number D, that is sky. Very simple question. Now similarly this question number 20, let us take again one example more. Pen is called as table, table is called fan, fan is called chair, chair is called roof. Then on which of the following will a person sit? So we know very well that on which thing we sit? We sit on chair. Okay, we sit on chair, and the chair is called as, what this chair is called? Chair is called as roof. So the correct answer for the question is option number C. Now again moving further to the question number 23. Okay, this is some kind of very high thinking order question. Okay, so I will suggest you to try it by your own. Question number 23, just pause the video and try it by your own, and after if you know if you get the answer, that is good. If you don't be able to get the answer, I will give you the way. Okay, so circular is written as TCNWETK. Okay, now how this code is formed, let us check. First what we are doing, we are reversing it. Okay, we are writing it reversely, writing circular in a reverse order. Okay, let I get some space here. Okay, first what we have written, circular. Okay, what we have done, we have exchanged the reverse the order from here to here. Okay, RALUCRIC. Now what we will do now, next we will shift R to the next two forward. We will shift R to 2 levels forward. Okay, what will come? R, then S, after R S, then T. Okay, so this T will come. Okay, let I write it properly. After plus 2 it will be T. Okay, now then after A, B and C. Okay, then after L, 2 step forward will be N. Similarly, after we will have W, E, T, K and E. So the simply what we are doing, we are reversing the order of this word, okay, like this, and moving 2 step forward to each of the letter, okay. So in the same way, this is the logic we got, okay, or this is the decoding we have done. Now find out the correct answer for computer. The same thing we will do. The same thing we will do as, let us check here. Okay, we will first write computer, TER, okay. Then if we will then reverse the order, RETUPMOC, okay. Now adding 2 in each of the alphabet and moving forward, okay. So what you will get, R, then S, then T, E, F, then G, T, U, then V, U, then V, then W, then P, then Q, then R, okay. Let I write, then R, M, then N, O, similarly Q and E here. The correct answer is T, G, V, W, R, O, Q and E, and the correct option for this question will be option number D. This option is the correct answer, okay. Now moving further,